Welcome friends, myself teke Mayuri Madhukar. My seminar topic is parasitic protozoans from economic zoology. First, let's we see that what are the protozoans. Protozoa is an informal term for a group of single-celled eukaryotes, either free-living or parasitic, that feed on organic matter such as other microorganisms or organic tissue and debris. These are the some protozoans. Protozoans are mainly classified into two groups, that is the free living and another one it is the parasitic protozoans. Let's we are going to study about parasitic protozoans. First one example in which uh, Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica, it is the cosmopolitan parasitic protozoans of human large intestine, which is a causative agent of amoebiasis. Amoebiasis manifests with persistent diarrhea containing mucus or blood, accompanied by abdominal pain, nausea and fever, etc. Then the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica: infection by uh, Entamoeba histolytica, cyst in fecally contaminated uh, infection by Entamoeba histolytica occurs by ingestion of mature cyst in fecally contaminated food, water, or hands. Excitation occurs in the small intestine and trophozoites are released, which migrates to the large intestine. Then, what are the causes of this? What are the causes? The causes of amoebiasis is mainly the protozoan parasite Entamoeba histolytica. Some risk factors for amoebiasis include consuming contaminated food or water, association with food handlers whose hands are contaminated, then contact with contaminated medical devices, etc. Then the treatment. Metronidazole, it is the usual antibiotic which is used for this treatment. Then second one example of this parasitic protozoan, it is the Trypanosoma brucei. Trypanosoma brucei, it is the it is the homoflagellate, is the pathogen of human sleeping sickness and animal nagana disease in Africa. It is an extracellular parasite that circulates within the blood in the same manner as resident with blood cells. In the life cycle of these Trypanosoma brucei, when an infected tea fly bites uh, a person, it injects a form of protozoa that can cause infection into the skin. The protozoa move to the lymphatic system and bloodstream. Then inside the person, they change forms and travel to organs and tissue throughout the body, including lymph and spinal fluid. The protozoa multiply in the bloodstream and other body fluids. They circulate in the bloodstream. Then a fly ingests the protozoa when it bites an infected person. Inside the fly, the protozoa changes forms and multiply. Then they circulate in the bloodstream. A fly ingests the protozoa when it bites an infected person. Inside the fly, the protozoa change forms and multiply. The protozoa travel to the fly's salivary gland. Means the protozoa travel into the salivary gland of the flies. Then they multiply and uh, change into trypomastigotes, the form that is injected when the fly bites to the person. That are the life cycle of the Trypanosoma brucei. Then what are the causes of these causes created from this Trypanosoma brucei? African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness. Sleeping sickness, is caused by the uh, Trypanosoma brucei, is caused by microscopic parasite of the species Trypanosoma brucei. It is transmitted by the tested fly, tease fly, which is found only in sub-Saharan Africa. Then, what are the preventions and control? Wear long sleeve shirts and pants of medium weight. Then then inspect vehicles before entering. Then avoid bushes. Use insect repellent. That are the preventions and control. Thank you.